Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to play again some shipping lanes. Um, I'm sorry for not posting for a couple of days. I've been enjoying the holidays with my family, and in that time, shipping lanes added a new ship. Um, the Bethlehem Moth Heavy Lifter looks extremely cool, but I already know that I'm not getting this. Think tomorrow. Where is it? Think tomorrow I'm going to finally get two legendary crates. And if I get the Megalodon Heavy Lifter, I'm going to be dead as fuck. Yeah, and say that or the SS7, that's not the best ship ever. Even the Maximus class is okay. I will mostly get, I could get the Quad A class, which is amazing. And yeah, that's like this. Oh, and I've done some new art for my channel. And I also got a new tablet. Yeah, I will show you in, I think, after this one, I'm going to show you the new art that I've made. And yeah, in this video, I don't know what to talk about. You can't really do anything in this game, like to talk too much or anything. You just post about this game. And I'm not saying that the game it's like becoming boring, like you don't know what to post. And yeah, let's leave, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to purchase for my avatar accessories. I think I don't know exactly. I'm going to search up Christmas because I firstly for my avatar I might get where are those, like some lights on my body, like to have those. It's extremely cool. I can't really find, yeah, like these, to have some lights on me. Or I can search up New Year's. For accessory, let's see. Can get one of the too small. If I get this, yeah, maybe something like that, something on my body. And maybe like that. Oh, it looks extremely stupid. Yeah, I think this and those two, like how much? 100? Yeah. Or even these balloons. Yeah, I don't know exactly, but yeah, I might be buying some things. Oh, and I posted like 2 things about the cabin crew. I'm just going to show you something. I haven't played this game like since August. Yeah, and in August I wasn't that good at the game. Like I had a 747. That's all. Yeah, today. Yeah, I have gotten the 88. Yeah, and my next plane is the Concorde, but we do not know if I'm going to get it. I'm going to show you, and I've bought some new, how's it called? New seats. So in the economy, the seats might look different. So I got in the economy, I got the royal seat. Last time I had the designer. In business, I have now the futuristic. And that first class, I still have the lavish. I haven't bought another one. We have the first class here. and a little bit up here. Then we got business. I need to color this too. So annoying. And I've got a bar. I finally got the bar. The in-flight, the lounge. Finally got the lounge. I'm so excited to maybe bring back the OG colors. Yeah. So my airline is now looking. My airline looks extremely Christmas. Looks extremely Christmas. But yeah, I've bought the new A3. No, not the new A380. This kind of old. But I've got the 880 now. Hooray! I'm so excited. Wait, if I color this winglet, this. Wait, does it color the other one? No, I want one to be red and the other to be green. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know how